Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. In this video, I will show you some important and trendy products that can be used for our foot care routine. While these products can aid in foot care, it's also important to maintain the good hygiene practices, wear comfortable and properly fitted shoes, and address any foot concerns or issues properly. If you have specific foot problems, or medical conditions, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional or appropriate guidance and treatment. In addition to these products, first of all, foot socks. Foot socks are the greatly way to relax and pamper your feet while providing various benefits. They often contain Epsom salts, essential oils, or herbal extracts that help soothe tight feet, relieve muscles, aches, and soften the skin. Foot socks can also help reduce the swelling, alleviate foot pain, and provide a therapeutic experience. Blister bandages. Blister bandages are advice pads specifically designed to protect and cushion blisters. They create a barrier between the blisters and your footwear, reducing the friction and promoting the faster healing. Blister bandages are an essential item for hikers, runners, or anyone prone to developing blisters on their feet. Foot massages tools. Foot massages tools such as foot rollers or massage balls can be used to massage and stimulate the muscles and tissues of the feet. They help improve the circulations, relieve the tensions, and provide the relaxation. Regular foot massage can also enhance the foot flexibility and reduce the foot pain. There are several products available for foot care that offer various benefits. Here are some common foot care products and their benefits. Foot cream, moisturizers, cause removers, and all famous and trendy products are here in this video. If you like these videos, then subscribe my channel and share this video for my enhancement and my encouragement. Thanks for sharing and watching my video.